Ring dip, bottom hold. If you are looking to increase your ring dip numbers or aiming to get your first ring dip, the isometric bottom hold can be a useful exercise to increase the strength and range of motion of your dips. The isometric ring dip hold is also a useful progression for ring muscle ups. Start by setting the rings to be shoulder width apart and at a height that allows you to hold the bottom of the dip without the feet touching the floor. Jump to ring support with a nice hollow body shape. The inside edge of the feet are pushed together, the toes are pointed, the legs are straight, there is a posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, and the rib cage is pulled down. Once you've established stability, you can lower down to the bottom of the dip. The rings will be in a neutral position, with the palms of the hands facing inwards towards the sides of the body. Never allow the palms of the hands to be facing backwards behind the body, as this places the shoulders into internal rotation and can cause serious shoulder injury. Notice that the shoulders move forward and down. The elbows stay vertically stacked above the wrists, and the shoulders move forward of the rings. This technique is transferable to other pressing movements like handstand push-ups, and it helps to keep the shoulders externally rotated and decrease the chance of shoulder pain and injury. As you lower down, you must keep the elbows pulled in towards each other behind the back. Do not allow the elbows to flare out to the sides. Once at the bottom of the dip, continue to push down on the rings to hold an isometric contraction in the triceps, shoulders, and chest muscles. Do not simply relax at the bottom. Make sure the rings are still in the neutral position with the palms of the hands facing inwards towards the body. Keep your eyes on the horizon and maintain the hollow body shape. Hold the bottom of the ring dip for the prescribed amount of time.